Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to crop images into shapes in Figma. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So for us to crop an image into shapes here in Figma, what you can do is import the image first. You can either drag and drop that from your files and drop it here into your workspace in Figma. And you can resize the image first so that it would fit the frame that we have. There. Now that it's already it fits the frame, what you can do is go to this part here on the upper left corner of the screen and click on the shapes icon, where you can choose either rectangle, ellipse, star, or a polygon. What you can do is, what I'll choose here is the triangle, and then just shape or size or stretch of the triangle so that it would fit the image, and that would be the shape of our image later on. So what you can do here is that you need to position the shape behind or at the back of the picture. So you can right click and then send the shape to back, and then select the image and the shape together and right click once again and use as mask. And there you can see that the image is now following the shape of the triangle. You can just adjust by dragging and dropping or dragging or moving the triangle around to make sure that it would fit the image perfectly, and the dog here will be shown without being cut. You can either resize the image or you can resize the triangle for you to be able to adjust that properly. So you have the two options to be able to adjust the image, and that's basically it. That's how you will be able to crop the image into shapes here on Figma. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.